as you can see, I got a new panel. I got a Silent Night 5820 XL. It's a 1100 point panel with 6 NACs slash flex puts. If you don't know what flex puts are, they're basically NACs that can be turned to zones, 2-wire smoke detectors, auxiliary, much more. But yeah, that's not all I got. I also got a few devices, if the camera will focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. Let me make sure. Yep, now it's focusing. So I got 3 beam detectors, one right there. 3 spectra alerts, one of them broken. There's no thingy on it, like a plastic thing. No basis either. A cellular communicator. The cellular communicator transformer. 3 SD monitor modules. 2 of these pull stations, the SD ones, with the lift handle. I feel these are really cool. I like how they look. And what else did I get? I got the can for a cellular communicator, and I also got the panel, which is the main event. So, now that I have shown you all the things I got, let me show you the devices. First device I have is a SK Pool Dual Action. It's an addressable dual action Silent Night pull station. And next to it I have the beam detector, a System Sensor 1224 beam detector. The reflector is over there. And I have a Gentex Commander 3 right there. I have a System Sensor PTIRW addressable multi-criteria detector. It does not have CO, but has thermal, infrared, and photoelectric. I have another PTIRW. I have this Simplex tool station, but it is not it's not connected to a system. And lastly, I have another Gentex Commander 4, well, another SK Pool dual action, oops, wrong key. Wait, what key am I using? Oh my god. Okay, good. This should unlock this. Oh my god. This is so... Yeah, this is the key. Okay, there. Yeah. So, as you can see, it says SK Pool Dual Action. And since this is SK protocol on a 5000 series, it's really slow. Look at how slow it pulls. See? Once every 10 seconds, unlike the 6000 series. Like, Clip, which came out like the 90s or something, pulls faster, which is sad. But yeah, other than that, let's go start testing the alarms. Also, both of the Gentex devices are synced. So, without further ado, after I put my hearing protection on, let's test it. 3, 2, 1. So, yep, see, they're 2-wire silent and they're still synced. And as you can see, it's manual pull station, basement pull, zone 1. So, yeah. Now let's pull this one. Push in, pull down. Okay, now, let me grab my magnet so I can test the smoke detectors. Also, excuse the extension cord. Right now I have it jerry-rigged because I don't plan on keeping this panel. But yeah, let me show you. Let me show you the inside to see how horrible my wiring job is right now. Where's the key? Oh, I should just leave the keys in the panel, to be honest. Because, yeah. But yeah, here's I just used 18 gauge wire to like connect the two batteries, which isn't the smartest idea, but it worked. So yeah, let's move on to the first one, which is right here. It takes like 12 seconds to activate. Now that we activated that one, as you can see, it's an alarm. Let's activate this one. I'm pretty sure the magnet thing is right there, hopefully. Yeah, so we activated all the addressable devices. So now let's reset and then we'll test the beam detector. So now that that's resetting, we'll test the beam detector. If you don't know what beam detector is, a beam detector is basically... Oh my god, I forgot to reset. Oh my god, I forgot to reset. That kind of scared me. But yeah, make sure to reset your devices. Also, one thing I do not like about the 5000 series SK protocol, besides it being really slow, is when you reset the full, the LED turns off. See, like it go back to normal. I'll show you again. So it's activated, and then I close it, and then look, the LED is going to turn off. See, I do not like that at all. But yeah, I'll reset it by sticking my key in here and then pressing reset. Oh, the keypad's right enabled. But yeah, so now that we reset that, I could show you the beam detector. So what a beam detector is basically it's a smoke detector basically. It detects smoke obviously, but spot detectors like these, they're meant for small spaces, kind of like this, because it's a small space and stuff. But beam detectors, they're meant for like large warehouses, large buildings, museums, where like spot type detectors won't do. They're too they're not sensitive enough, or like how can I put that? Like it's too large of an area where spot type detectors, it'll be too expensive, or too it'll take too much spot type detectors to like put them in a large space. Sorry that this isn't a good explanation, but yeah, beam detectors are meant for large areas where they need protecting. But basically, a beam detector uses a laser or an infrared beam and shines it to the reflector, which is right here. And if the reflector gets blocked and there's no lights, the light gets obstructed, then the sensor will go into, the detector will go into alarm. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm talking so badly today. But also, like these have obstacle obstruction, so if you put your hand in front of it, it won't go into alarm. It might get a trouble saying there's a trouble in between it, that there's like something like obstructing it, because this light tells you if it blinks 4 times that there's something obstructing the sensor. But yeah, these if you block the beam, it doesn't go into alarm. Only smoke puts it into alarm. So yeah, while we wait for the fog machine to heat up, I could show you some of the features of the panel. Also, I'll show you how I wired up the beam detector without a module. So basically, the way I wired up the beam detector is the red and white wire are for power, and the green and black wire are the zone, like that initiates the alarm. So that's how I have it wired basically. To be honest, I prefer this panel over the 6820 because of the flex puts, and this is a pretty good starter panel if you could find one for cheap, maybe 400, 300, which is still a lot, but it's a great panel. So yeah, let's see if yep, it's right now. Also, I might do a programming video, how to program sync and stuff, but for now I'm just gonna post this one. So yeah, I'm gonna spray it right here and we'll see if it goes into alarm. That should be enough. So we'll see if it goes into alarm. It should. It looks like, yep, it's going into alarm. Okay, so as you can see, the panel's in alarm. It's giving me the beam detector zone. I have it set as manual pull because whenever it's set as 4-wire detector, it goes into alarm. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but yeah, it's going to alarm whenever I have it set as 4-wire detector. So that's why I have it set as a manual pull station. So I have it named as the beam detector. So yeah, we'll let the smoke clear out just by waving. Let's see, what can we wave at it? I'll just wave it like this, and hopefully, nope, you have to wave some more. I'll just use it. Okay, so hopefully that should be enough so that does not go into alarm. Let me unplug this, and then we'll reset the panel. So whenever you try to reset the panel, it asks for a code or for your key. If you don't know the code, you could just use your firefighter's key. Stick it in the panel and then turn it, and then it resets the panel. This panel is, to be honest, pretty quick to reset. But yeah, this was a test of the Cyanite Intellinite 5820XL, and I hope you liked it, and bye.